In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect Gmail to Pipedrive CRM efficiently. And we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to head over to Pipedrive's website, which is a core tool in managing your sales pipeline and CRM needs. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL to access Pipedrive's homepage. You'll see various sections highlighting their services and features, but for now, focus on finding the Login button, which is usually located in the top right corner. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials to sign into your Pipedrive account. If you're not yet familiar with this, just follow the prompts to get securely logged in. Now that you've landed in your Pipedrive home area, it's time to navigate towards your profile settings. Look for your profile icon, often depicted as an avatar or your initials, usually found in the upper corner of the interface. Clicking this should reveal a drop-down menu where you can select Profile. Within your profile, one of the primary settings that you might want to customize is your personal preferences. This section allows you to tailor the Pipedrive experience to better suit your workflow needs. Click on Personal Preferences to access more settings that are relevant to email configurations. Next, navigate to the Email Sync option, which you'll find under the settings. This feature is pivotal because it lets Pipedrive synchronize with your Gmail account, thus integrating your email communications directly into your CRM, saving you time and effort. After accessing the email sync page, you should see the option labeled Plus Email Account. Clicking this will begin the process of connecting your Gmail account to Pipedrive. A pop-up or new window will appear prompting you to grant Pipedrive access to your Gmail account. Make sure you confirm any permissions or authorizations required, as these are necessary for the integration process to run smoothly. With these permissions granted, Pipedrive and Gmail will start working hand in hand, making it much simpler to track correspondences with clients and keep your sales team in the loop. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Gmail account with Pipedrive CRM. By integrating these two robust platforms, you'll enhance your productivity, ensure no communication slips through the cracks, and keep your team organized and informed. Remember, these steps are designed to be straightforward, so you can easily replicate them whenever you need to manage or update your email settings. Keep exploring Pipedrive's features to fully leverage this powerful integration. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.